Hi everyone, Chris Hale here, coming to you with another Profit Squirrel vlog. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing really well. If you're new to match betting, then you might be new to this channel, and if that's you, then this is the video for you. If you haven't done match betting before, or if you're just getting into it, you might be asking yourself, is this actually too good to be true? Is it a real thing? How much money can I actually make? Can I actually make a decent amount every single month with match betting? Or maybe you're just wondering, where on earth do I get started with this? I've heard it's a really great thing. I've seen people saying they're making money from it. How do I actually get involved? Where do I start? Well, if any of that sounds like questions that you're asking, then what I wanted to do was share this really useful link with you. It's a link to a page that we've put together that is basically a really handy overview of match betting, of what it is, of some of the best tips and bits of knowledge all in one place that it's really useful to check out as you're getting started, as you're getting into this. It will probably answer a lot of questions that you have, and hopefully it will make you feel a little bit more confident to actually dive in and get started making some profits yourself. So this is our Profit Squirrel match betting guide. To get to it, I'm going to drop a link in the comments below. And let me just run you through exactly what's on this page and how you might find it useful. So what we've really tried to do here is give a good overview of the best places to start with match betting and answer some of the most common questions. And also we've got a really neat calculator which can actually help you work out how much money you stand to make from match betting. So at the top here, what we've done is we've just linked you to our 3 most popular posts in our blog. These are really common questions, and we count how many people actually visit our blog, and these are the topics that are asked the most often. Number 1, is match betting worth it? Is it actually worth the time? Am I actually going to get a decent return for any of the time that I put into it? Number 2, is match betting for me? Is it actually suitable? I mean, it's something that isn't suitable for absolutely everybody in the world. So if you're wondering, actually, can I do this? Then go ahead, check out that article there. And then finally, it's a common question, is match betting legal? You know, it seems too good to be true sometimes. Is this actually something I can do and take advantage of? To read any of those articles, go ahead, just click find out more below them. Then in the section below that, what we've done is we've linked you to 3 of our most popular videos as well. The first one is a bit of an overview, me talking about my match betting journey, how I discovered it, referencing the profits that I've made over the last few years. And this will give you a good overview of what you can expect from match betting, and also a little bit of background on myself, why I started Profit Squirrel and who we are as a company. This second video, no risk match betting. Is it possible? It's a phrase that people do throw about. This video will answer that question for you. And then a third one, how to actually find your free bet. It's actually quite a common thing if you haven't done match betting before to not really know where the free bet is or kind of what you do with it when you get it. You've kind of heard that match betting is to do with free bets, but what does that actually mean? This is a video that will be really useful for you in actually helping you feel confident to use your free bet and to make your first profit. And of course, if you're watching this video, you're probably on YouTube already, but if you're not, you can go ahead and just click this link here, which will take you to all of our YouTube videos on the channel. So this next section here, this is basically just giving a little overview of match betting, all the different offers, and a couple of links to a bit more info on match betting, a bit more information on the different bookmakers and exchanges, that sort of thing. And if you have any other questions in this area, this is a really neat area for you just to get in touch with us. Now, I want to bring you onto this feature that we have towards the bottom of this page. It's really cool. It's really useful. The first thing you want to do is just answer this tiny little quiz, and this is just to make sure that you're eligible to actually do match betting. So firstly, you need to be over 18. You do need to live in the UK for the majority of the offers, and also you have to want to make extra money, because if you don't want to make more money, then match betting probably isn't for you, because if you do it right, you're going to make extra money. So go ahead and click yes if that's you. And then what that will let you do is take our little assessment to actually see how much we reckon it's realistic for you to be making every single month based on a couple of factors. So the first one is how much extra time you have each week. So say you have 5 hours, that's about an hour a day, or less than an hour a day if you do a bit on weekends as well. and you can slide that up and down here to actually choose an appropriate amount of time for you. So I'm going to leave that on 5. And now a second factor is how much money you have to start with. Now this is something that we call your bank, and basically what it means is that it's going to be something that you use in order to allow you to do more offers at once, and also to allow you to do offers with higher odds, which actually means that those offers are more profitable for you. Don't worry about that for now. That will become clear how that all works when you watch other tutorials. And of course, you can start match betting with a very, very small amount of money, because each offer you do is going to make you a profit, and what we call your bank, the amount of profits that you have, that will build up gradually over time, because that's how we've structured the offers to work for you. But this is just an example of what you can expect when you start. So say you're just starting with £10 in the bank, then you're probably going to be able to make about £325 a month, and that's based on the offers that we think you can complete in a realistic time frame with that amount of money that you're starting with. Of course, the more that you can start with, the more we reckon you can earn each month. So say you got £100 to start with, it's pretty realistic for you to make about £600 in the month on an ongoing basis. Of course, some members are not making that much because they're spending a bit less time or they're completing fewer offers. And of course, some members are making more than that. So this is just kind of an average figure. As I said, what we think is probably realistic for most people. And then in the final section of this match betting guide, we've just got a few frequently asked questions here as well that you may be wondering aloud. This will give you a bit of a quick answer to that. We've got a link to our community as well, and just a few success stories from members. There are many of them, but these are just a few we have here. If you're not in the Facebook members group, I suggest you go ahead and join. It's a fantastic resource. It's a great place to get quick answers to your questions, particularly if the support team is out of hours, if our lines are closed, which they are after 6 p.m. in the evening. You're going to get a faster response to your questions by going and asking the community directly in the Facebook group here. So click any of these links and that will take you directly to that group, which you can join for free. And then just going down, we've just got a few more of our Trustpilot reviews and a few little features of match betting. So as I said, if you're new to match betting, go ahead, check out this page. I think you'll find it really, really useful. And of course, if you have any more questions or things that you don't quite understand, there are loads of places that you can get answers. You can ask me directly here on YouTube. Just drop me a question in the comments below. You can, of course, reach out to the Profit Squirrel support team via the phone, via email. To get to them, simply go ahead, click this Got a Question box on the bottom right of the website, or go to the menu and click Contact to get to the contact form. Either of those will get you in touch with us. And of course, don't forget the community. There's some really knowledgeable expert people out there who have been using Profit Squirrel for a while, who have been making money for a while with match betting. Those people are of course in the Facebook members group or on the official Profit Squirrel forum. Whichever one works for you, however you like to communicate, don't sit there wondering. Go ahead, ask the questions, get your answers, and go ahead and start making yourself some money. Thanks so much for watching. Please do check out some of the other videos in the vlog. Give this video a like if you've enjoyed it. And please subscribe to Profit Squirrel to make sure you don't miss out on any of the latest Make Money Online information, any of the latest free tips and guidance on match betting. Again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in another video really, really soon.